Students, we will continue with the linear equations in two variables, graphical representation, exercise 4.3, continue. If the work done by a body on application of constant force is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body, then express this in the form of an equation and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 units. It's your 6th question in the textbook. Now you have learnt in physics the relation between work, force and all. So the same concept. If the work done by a body is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body, these two are the two unknown things. So we start our problem by writing, let the distance equals x, work done equals 5, and they are saying about a constant force here which is equal to 5 units. Work done is directly proportional to the distance travelled. Work done is directly proportional to the distance travelled. Here work done is y, directly proportional symbol is like this, y is directly proportional to x. To remove the directly proportional sign, y is equal to kx, where k is some constant and the constant force number here is given as 5x. So now we are having a linear equation. What is our linear equation? Y is equal to 5x. And based on this linear equation, you have to draw the graph. So to draw the graph, we should have the table to locate the points. When x is equal to 0, if 0 work is done, then 0 distance it will be travelling. Then when x is equal to 2, y will be 10, and when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 5. So I am giving certain values for x, so that simultaneously you will get the values of y also. Now we can plot these points in your graph paper. X and y 0, 0, that is your origin itself. Then 2 and 10 here. Then 1 and 5 here. Now all these points can be joined by a straight line. Equation for this line is y is equal to 5x. Our next question. Yamini and Fatima together contributed ₹100 to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation and draw the graph. So Yamini contributed x rupees, Fatima contributed y rupees. So together, how much money did they give? X plus y is equal to 100. So this is the required linear equation. Based on this, you have to plot the points. To plot the points, you should know the values of x and y. So let's draw the table. Which all numbers added gives you 100? 50 and 50. 50 plus 50 gives you 100. Then 40 plus 60 gives you 100. 30 and 70. 20 and 80. Since it's a linear equation in two variables, you will get infinitely many values. You just require to write 3 or 4 values and then plot the point. You can plot the points and then you can draw the graph and join the points, you will get a straight line also. In our next question, the temperature and the Fahrenheit connection is given. F is equal to 9/5 C plus 32. Please read the question. Then F is equal to 9/5 C plus 32. You have to draw the graph based on this equation. The conversion of Fahrenheit to Celsius is given here. Now, here x-axis I am taking as Celsius value, Fahrenheit value I am taking on the y-axis. 9 by 5 C plus 32, I am giving values for C. Since here the denominator is 5, it will be easy for you to calculate if the numbers on C are the multiples of 5. So, I have taken 0, 5 and 10. When C becomes 0, F equals 32. When C equals 5, 5 and 5 gets cancelled. 9 plus 32 will be 41. When C equals 10, 10 by 5 to 18 plus 32 will be 50. You can do the calculation in your working column and then do the answer. So, the conversion of Fahrenheit and Celsius is given. Based on this conversion, you have to draw the graph. So, when x is 0, 32 comes somewhere over here, then 5 and 41 somewhere over here, 10 and 50. Now, you have to join the line connecting all the 3 points. Now, this point will be 0, 32. This point will be 541 and this point will be 10, 50. Now, second part of the question. If Celsius is given to be 30 degree, what will be the Fahrenheit value? If C equals 30 degree, F is equal to what? So, write the formula. F is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32, which is equal to 9 by 5. What is Celsius? 30 plus 32. 5 goes in 30 6 times. When you add and do the simplification, you will get the answer to be 86 degree. That is, when Celsius is equal to 30 degree, then Fahrenheit's value will be 86 degree. Third subdivision. If F is equal to 95, that means if Fahrenheit is given as 95 degree, what will be the what will be equivalent in Celsius? Again, write the formula. What is the formula? F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. F is given. What is F? 95 is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Then bring the 32 to the other side. 95 minus 32 is equal to 9 by 5 C. From this, simplify and you will get the value of C as 35 degree. Fourth subdivision. When Celsius equals 0, what will be the Fahrenheit value? F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Value of C is 0. So, 0 plus 32, 32 degree. So, when Celsius is equal to 0, Fahrenheit will be 32 degree. In similar way, when F is equal to, what is Celsius? So, 0 is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. That is 9 by 5 C equals negative 32. When you simplify, you will get the value of C to be negative 17.8. These are easy questions. Read the question properly, then substitute the values and write the answer. Now, the last subdivision. Is there any value when Fahrenheit and Celsius becomes equal? What happens when F is equal to C? What is our equation? F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. 9 by 5. C and F both are same. Plus 32. Bring 9 by 5 F to the other side. F minus 9 by 5 F is equal to 32. Simplify, you will get the value of F as minus 40 degree. Therefore, F is equal to C is equal to minus 40 degree. So, this is the temperature where the Fahrenheit and Celsius becomes equal.